vMix na we use no ho. Se overlays no eye 4 impo a, obetumi add multiple overlays and as layers. Ama we use more than 4. Sa transparent logo we say me person we use 1. Okay, overlay 1. Abada ha say. Okay, na yemfa ne say me person me use maybe overlay 2. Edimatica no. Eno so aba inti aka yen 3 and 4. Ye utilize we pe asa yentumi en use overlay ni biem. Ye be show yen lower third no. Inti yemfa number 3 enfan show yen lower third. Afe ye wo option ba ko pe a yebetumi use overlay no. Inti no ma yemfa ne se logo we say yemfa sa logo we say enfan share 4. Say no yen overlays no asa yentumi fa de foforo bia enfan ba so biem. In case say person ye de clock to baby a yentumi en use clock no. Ye person ye de another logo edit to baby a yentumi en use. Say adie bi e person san de bamu as overlay bia no yentumi en use biem. Na ye be dan ne afa kwan foforo so a ye be add multiple overlays and as layers edi egu yen screen so. Meanwhile no yen default and yen standard overlays no eye 1 2 3 4. Meaning any Obitech solutions. Ebusiania be ne se wo ho. Ko add input. Ne click color. Ne be click transparent. Ne click okay. Afei, hwehwe color na wode abemu no. Eno nie. So pese wo sesan edin na double click so. Anase me settings icon ne so. Name ni nie na wasesan. Yemfa ne se a overlays, alright? Na close ne keke. Okay, afei BABM na click layers ne so. Afei ade bi opese we dey to screen so a ebeche wo so. Bi kra na sa de kode no wonyi free screen so kra da. Bi a logo, bi a ticker, bi a clock. Anything bi na wo so say sa de we dey ekoda screen so afebo. Mean time yi. Anase bi kra mean yi kra. Omo no hyehye omo nyina wo layers we mu. Nti wa click layers ne so a number 1 na ya chro nan no. Na wa click so. Na wa kofa adekode na meka ho asem no. Se bia logo no. Isi yemfa ne se yemfa logo we emfa nhye 1. Na yenko number 2 na no so yemfa de foforo emfa nhye ho. Yemfa ne se sade we say. Okay, na yenko number 3. Na wa click na ne so. Na no so wa pa bribi e de ahye ho. Nti me fa ticker lower third no. Eno so nie. Sorry, ticker leader. Na wa click number 4. Afei ade awie nkra na epese de hye ho. Jacka flyer mama fe no. Okay, on say we a video kese enti aba cover enim ni nyina. Se onso wo share bribi say na so pese wo ye eno ko aketo a. Ye obeye ni say ohun sa ade kode pote na wo click wo so kofa buy na abaye kese no. Wo hwe ne nchen na edit bi ho no mo. Mia edit ne so. Though obetimi use crop tool na wa ha say no. Me prefer say click edit ne so. Ubehunu adekode no ni overlay number any ni name no I mean the title no ewo ahasei na chese eya no nko aho adwuma na obeye afei obetimi adjust no every hasei. Okay, adjust no na baby opesa odito no fakoto. So in this case na me pese me crop left and right no edi free ho ti me anything na my heading so say okay afei me page na me fan to ahasei pese da baby say maybe menya ne keto akakra na enda down hase. Okay, into down. Afei, me go back to layers no. Na ahwe say ade foforo bi oho no mabesa nso hia bi mu ana. For now no de me no me hia bribi asesi a ewo me production nim. But ade ba kwa me ni say me pese me push logo we say e de ko left. Say na be logo na e da video no me de da no. Ene no enko nkohia. Nti the same thing. And also mahwe sa adekode no we top of this new logo ti no click edit ne so na fe wa drag free baby no abato bi opese ode eto. Okay, like this, right? Okay, nti uwia na so na fe we close nti hwe ya hyehye eniema amhwe hwe ha sei hwe fa ha sei ya de eniema 1 2 3 4 edi egu ade baakum eno ene friend say multi-view anase layers no Okay, nti adeɛ baako pɛ no yɛahyehyɛ nneɛma bebree de egom. So in this case no yɛbɛ use a single overlay na yɛde a represent saa nneɛma 4 ne nyinaa. Nti no ma yɛnkɔ use overlay number 4 ana wotumi use ebia o me na mefa 4 keke. Nti sɛ me click 4 ne so a afei look at it ne nyinaa abem at the same time. Nti still na no yɛsan so ɛwɔ overlay 1 2 3 a wɔyɛ available. Aside from that no which may add more to the MultiView now. So when we say a befa 10 at a go, into aka from 5 to 10 available. Say opese we senior vMix in-depth vMixer. Bepacha join the obitecsolution.com platform. Na follow anything concerning vMix, anything concerning video production biano. Yadi a whole tutorial ever baho. Say open vMix software na nina ewo platform deso. So one join the platform on a crampona. Na se open vMix setup na. If I just send the ADM me send the link na mo. Na ode a download the vMix 28. Yeah, dear no. vMix 28. Into me no be send no to me akọ download it. But ye mo pani dear. Come up say obe join yen community no. obitecsolution.com. Inti so person will join yen community na. Oba obitecsolution.com na wa click on login na wa hasene so login way. And I say, over click any of these VOD basic, any VOD pro no. Baby I try say log in to subscribe no. Na wa click so honomo. O click so no wa click on create account. What do we do basha say? Now what do email address edi asha. Na wa bo password edi asha no wa click on create account and so. And sa over click on Google icon you so. Na I redirect you to your email. Now with me a create account successfully. So create account ni we check your email address in him. Na verify account no. So log in about obitecsolution.com. Now about main page ni so. I mean the home page you know. Baby I want you say upgrade to basic and upgrade to pro no. Over click upgrade to pro ni so. Okay. Inti I say you know. Say you know at a monthly basis. This up a monthly basis now manada hey ya ni mo no. Open say unya premium yearly. Here number platform so any update, any video, any link. Adie bi efa video production ho ebe post bia no wonsa ebe kan ewa platform ni mo for the entire year no. Na wa click was to say we any see best from the monthly to the year no. Na emu die pese o go for no either the basic or the pro no. Na wa click upgrade ne so. But minya idea ni year mo no ka be upgrade to the pro no. Na just ho no wan like hwe with the basic no. Ebi anye bibia no sabeka ewo basic room ni mo. Ati ase. Okay, until we click upgrade to pro. Ebe redirect you to the payment system no. Na with the mobile money number, no wa select network neither MTN, Vodafone or say Airtel Tigo. The first time I will use the paystack system no to make a payment if I try to send a verification code at your call or phone so until phone number na we use no. I send the code at your call so no abo code no at your shame to verify the system. Okay, into pacho we are no it me continue and make the payment. We make payment in we are automatically no over redirected to the pro account. Okay, into say over community has here or click on the community now. Na fe aba pro mastermind in him. Say basic and so now subscriber ya no about basic room ni mo. Into say all have basic room ni mo premium live production template na ye preset no and we name easy worship our has say vMix 28 our has say ene and 4 in the pro mastermind and the same thing. Bebre na ho we updated squeeze back download easy worship ne ade okay into Fimora no so ebe ho ahasei sei bi obetia download the free hasei brebi a kire wadwen a na wa type e de ato ho ebia obae no unhu link no ana brebi sa obetimi a type say maybe please I need the Fimora setup bibisa the person o tire bia na ebe ya understandable bia no. Now I click on send. So person will pro videos are from social media and so now we platform so over click on the VOD Pro. So account no a basic and so over VOD basic and wa click so. Say oh pro ni mo over basic videos, over free videos, no sound so pro videos. Okay. Ni nyina available e ho bitimi ahwe na wosua nyama bebre e dia fa video production, vMix any OBS ne enkaye nyina. Okay. So na say basic ni man the same thing we free na we basic.